Let's move into an area that I define as the invert blending modes. There are only two of them. They're called difference and exclusion. What they do, think of it this way. The colors in the blend layer are literally inverted, reversed, based on what's going on in that overlying or the base layer. Let's start with difference. We'll go into our left cover, that's the gradient, go into the word normal and go into difference. We'll do the same thing to our center cover. And watch what happens when we do the one that's an exact copy. In a sense, it cancels out. What's going on here with difference is a reversal of color information based on what's going on in the base and the blend. In the case of the third one, where it's the exact same image sitting exactly on top of the copy, the base and the blend are the same thing. In a sense, they cancel each other out. However, and we'll do this later, if you change the base, maybe do a little bit of a Gaussian blur or move it so it's not exactly on top of the other one, you can get some pretty good results. Pretty cool things go on. Let's look at exclusion. In exclusion, the effect is similar to difference, but lower in contrast, and often it gives a smoother effect. Blending with white inverts base color values, and blending with black produces no change at all. In addition, exclusion will take mid-tone grays and turn them transparent. Let's look at our left cover, which is our gradient, and we will go into exclusion. Go into center cover and go into exclusion. A little bit of a softer result than difference. And we go right cover this time and go into exclusion. And this time we get something because there's a softer effect involved. The invert blending modes, to me, in just a real basic way of saying it, will invert the color information from the base to the blend, and the result will be whatever the opposite, in a sense, of those colors are.